Are you frustrated with that pesky couldn't start the game 10022 error popping up every time you kick off Fortnite on your PC? Fret not. Today, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 easy solutions to tackle and fix this Fortnite error on your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. Start by clicking on the search icon, type in CMD and hit enter. Right-click on the command prompt, choose Run as Administrator and click Enter. Now enter netsh space winstock space reset and hit Enter. Follow it up with ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. Afterwards, type ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now input ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type netsh space int space ip space reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll include these commands in the video description below. Finally, reboot your computer and check if you find a match. Solution 2. If the matchmaking struggle persists, try using an optimized DNS server. First, open command prompt. If you can't find it, simply type CMD in the search bar and command prompt will appear. Click on it. Now, type ping 1111 and press enter to get the ping details. Next, type ping 8888 and press enter. After finding the DNS with the lowest ping, go to settings and click on network and internet. Then click on Ethernet. Click on the edit button next to DNS server assignment. Select manual, turn on IPv4 if it's off, then add the DNS server with the lowest ping in the preferred DNS box. For alternate DNS, type 1001 if using 1111 DNS or 8844 if using 8888. Click save and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Repair the game. Open the Epic Games launcher, click on Library. Below the Fortnite poster, click on the 3 dots icon and select Manage. Click on the folder icon to open File Explorer. Navigate to the Fortnite game folder, open binaries and then go to Win64. Delete the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Scroll down and delete the specified Fortnite client files. Close the File Explorer and return to the Epic Games launcher. Click on Verify and the launcher will verify and repair any corrupted files. After that, you should be able to launch the game without encountering the error. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing the couldn't start the game 10022 error in Fortnite on your gaming PC. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.